Hey everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So this this is a channel where I just basically come talk about some of the interesting charts that I've come across in my while I study for interesting trades, right? And today's interesting trade is Ethereum, so ETHUSDT. ETHUSDT. So what's interesting, right? I think it might be an interesting time to get ready some funds to load up to load up. Now here's why. Okay, here's why. So as you guys may be familiar with, might have heard at least, for the past couple weeks, past 2 weeks or so, right? Let's see. Let me highlight. For the past 2 weeks or so, yep, during this period, market went crazy. There's a ginormous crash, right? 15 days, 14 days. Yep, there was a massive crash. Mostly through technical corrections, as you can see here. Like I said before, the market does not like strong challenges, strong increments unchallenged. So there was a strong bull run, and the market decided like correct itself, and so you have a straight dip. So that was pretty expected, and you can see that happened right at this pivot point. So, well, hindsight's 2020, right? As they say. So, why is this interesting? Market seems to have hit the lowest point, which is at this $2,000. Let's call it $2,160. Let's call it. Yep, at this point, market has tested this twice already in the weekly chart. Oh, sorry, this is a daily chart. So there are quite a few key occasions that the market has tested this price and has pretty much rejected it. So does this look familiar to you? So as you can see, there is a strong formation coming up from here to here, up, down, up. So there is a clear double bottom forming, and now we're gonna wait to see what happens, right? So a double bottom formation is a very strong bullish formation, and let's see how can we let's see if we can do some quick predictions here. So yeah, we're looking at potentially, so caveat again, of course, right? If the price can clear this point, which is, let's say 2.9k, 2950, there is a potential of it going unchallenged all the way up here. So again, of course, some people ask, what would you do? Oops. Prepare some funds here, potentially. Get some money. Load here. At this point. Stop loss? Yeah. Well, stop loss, we'll think about it later. But basically, upside, we're looking at a potential 40%. If it clears this pivot point, everything will be all nice. So now, where should we where should we set the stop loss point? Let's go back at and look at a shorter time frame. Okay, so you can see right here, let me change the color. Right. So in this, so right here you can see that there is some resistance. If you look at, if you stretch it out further, you can see this is kind of a key resistance zone as well. Right. So let me see. I really gotta figure out how to draw circles here, because I used to do it, but it wasn't ideal. Whatever. You get the point. You can see the points. You can see the mouse. So what would a good stop loss point be? I guess would be if you're gonna be a bit more aggressive here. But if you want to be more aggressive, yeah, here's fine. So around about 4.5 risk ratio. That's kind of nice. That's kind of nice. So something to think about. And you can see over here, there's an interesting consolidation point as well, right? Anything? So, yep. Here, so market went up. You can see it started to consolidate, trying to figure out what it's going to do. Right? Clear rising wedge, break in, break out. See, break in, break out. Same thing here. I mean, market always believe that the market it repeats itself. So in, consolidate itself, out. So let's see if we can glean any more insight from here. So we can see clearly higher high, so definitely a recovering from the bear market of 2 weeks ago. Quite likely, it seems that if you you want to be a bit more aggressive, this might be a nice buy zone. Let me choose some other colors. Getting too colorful. Whatever. Okay, so this might be a nice buy zone. It's quite likely it's gonna test this resistance here before going back up. But the danger here, right, is it might cross. Would it cross? No, it wouldn't actually. So it might test this resistance and go back up. But if you're gonna be a bit more conservative, be a bit more safe, somewhere here. Yep. When it has broken, when a strong double bottom formation has started, and you want to buy in, not too late, not too late. As the saying goes, you're always early, right? So yeah, I think Ethereum is an interesting chart for today. I was just browsing, looking for some interesting signs. Now I'm just browsing around to see if there's anything that I might have missed. No, we're pretty good. If you're gonna be safe, I'd probably say a take profit here. Probably say a take profit here, yeah. Take profit here is fine. Why? Because there's a consolidation here. Or there was a consolidation happening here. So we can quite likely expect it to happen here as well. So I mean, it's up to you if you want to be safe and play safe about it. 1 to 3 ratio is not too bad. Yep. So Ethereum's looking pretty good. Now's a good time to get in. I think this is a crazy price. Whoever got in here scored big time. But yeah. Okay, so that's about it. Hopefully, this can give you some ideas on what trades to take. Of course, do your own research. I'm just here to share my thoughts. Happy to share more if you wanna know more. Just drop me a text or something. And till next time, take care.